Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Thursday, the 6th of December. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened yesterday. And locally, we saw our GDP number come in at only 0.3%. That was half of the forecast. This not only marks the slowest quarterly growth in 2 years, but it also casts doubts now over whether the next interest rates will in fact be higher or not. And any rate expectation definitely pushes out to around about 2020 with this data. The result was pretty clear with the market reacting accordingly. Aussie USD dropping 70 odd pips for the session. From Canada, as widely expected, the central bank left its interest rates unchanged at 1.75%, but the statement released had a definitive dovish tone as the Bank of Canada noted that there may be additional room for non-inflationary growth. USCAD did react to the news and basically jumped around about 100 odd pips in minutes. Now that actually leads us into our chart of the day, because the chart that I have found this morning is in fact the USCAD, and as you can see there, now there's that candle that I was just speaking about. At the release of that news, it jumped around about 100 odd pips, but what has happened now, it has taken us to a level where we could potentially make a double top. I would have liked this level to we're towards the top of the week, so I would have liked it to be a little bit lower, but look, I'm still happy to use it. Essentially, for me to take a trade right now on the US CAD, what I need is I would like to see a price action reversal confirmed for me in that hot zone that I've just marked out over here. If I do get that confirmations, then definitely I'm ready to take a trade. So ideally we would get an inside candle today, and then tomorrow morning we would be ready to go on this one. So US CAD on a daily timescale is our chart of the day. Okay, what's coming up in the session which is about to kick off? We have this morning locally, we have our retail sales numbers due. Ongoing throughout the day, we have the OPEC meetings. After midnight, 12:30 from Canada, the trade balance numbers are due. 5 minutes later, the Bank of Canada Governor Pollitz will be speaking. And finally, at 2 o'clock in the morning from the US, we have the non-manufacturing PMI numbers to be released. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.